Brite Crew to Mission Bay. The beacon's glowing with a new mission.
Pulling up the mission now. It says the big community game might be cancelled. No equipment.
Look at their faces. They were so excited for today.
Don't worry, crew. We'll fix this.
I'll check the supply shed. Maybe the gear is locked inside.
Or maybe it's invisible, just kidding.
Max, help Luna. Maya, rally the kids. I'll check the scoreboard.
All right, team, let's set up fast.
Nets are up, ready for action.
Scoreboard is working again.
Brite Star Crew, let's play ball.
Thank you, Brite Crew. The game is saved.
That's what Brite Stars do. We bring people together. Brite Star debrief. What worked today?
We checked the problem carefully and found the gear.
We set up fast and kept everyone motivated.
We made sure safety came first.
And I added comedy to keep spirits high.
Lesson logged. Teamwork, community spirit, and responsibility. Walk it, don't talk it.
Enjoy over 55 series, 600 plus ad-free videos, and 400 plus books. All for less than $2.50 a month with a yearly Brite Star Plus membership.